marketing with Cracker Barrel's logo got us to go back. It'd been a little while. We hadn't gone in years and years, and we lost a ton of weight. And then Cracker Barrel had this deal where you earn points, and we started going back and started gaining our weight back. But we still kept going. For memory? For what? I don't know. But we got a lot of free meals with those points. And then we decided to quit going again because we wanted to lose our weight. But that marketing campaign, that really worked. We are on our way. Things change all the time. Things get updated. Okay, we finished breakfast, which was great as usual. Lots of salty, sugary food. All that stuff is bad for you. It causes weight gains. The logo doesn't matter to us at all. We don't really care if they changed it. Yeah, the silverware holder and the menu was a little bit plain, but the food's the same. The shop's the same. So does it really matter? I mean, come on, there's a lot more bigger issues in the world. For all these people who got so upset at that logo, we don't really get it. Don't really get it. If the food's the same, now the prices were a little higher, we did notice that. So I'd be more upset about those prices going up than the logo changing. Maybe it's a deterrent to all the prices going up. It was pretty crowded in there, pretty cold in there too. But as usual, great meal. Life is about change, dealing with change. I don't really understand, we don't really understand why everybody's so upset about Cracker Barrel changing. I wouldn't mind them painting the walls white, putting up all the antique knickknacks and things like that. I don't think that would affect it at all. The food's the same. I'm personally more upset about the prices being higher than any of the changes. I mean, I care more about the prices that we can afford to keep eating there, which you barely can. It was $40 for breakfast, which is getting up there. That's too high. That's really too high for us, and we drink water. So I'm more concerned about prices than them updating the scenery. Had a great breakfast. It was good, very filling, but probably won't be back for a while because of the high prices and that it does cause us to gain weight eating there. Other than that, we love it.